Oppo A92, and today in this video I am going to details camera review. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout, so let's start the video. Oppo A92 comes with quad camera setup, 48 megapixel main lens with 1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel depth with 2.2 aperture, and 2 megapixel black and white lens with 2.4 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080 30fps video and 120fps slow motion video. I am already camera compare Realme 5 and Oppo A92. Link in the video description line below. Go there and check this video. Oppo A92 and Redmi 9S camera comparison coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. Okay, this is all about Oppo A92 details camera review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.